convinced that if you make forecasts more precise, more reliable, people living in the region will less suffer from high water levels, from storm indicated risks.
I think it will be many possibilities.
Pieces of the puzzle.
Yeah. For example, with the social aspect, the human people, and also to protect areas and make prognosis and see how the climate going to change different aspects.
It will contribute to prevent, mitigate, and prepare to the population to react in a good way in order to an important storm, search storm, and so on.
Също така бих искал да кажа, че в областна администрация има създадени много планове за действие, като план за защита при бедствие, но на брега, на сушата. План за дейността на морския аварийно-спасителен отряд, план за защита на нефтени разливи, план за управление на критичната инфраструктура и други, но нямаме план за защита от морски наводнения и бедствия на брега. Надявам се, че това сътрудничество ще допринесе до създаването на нормативна уредба по защита на бреговата черта в България.
I believe that some tools of risk can help us to compare different methodologies for evaluation of risk, and so gain greater confidence in what we have already done for risk evaluation, or on the other hand, as for example for erosion, pinpoint some aspects that were not considered when we defined the maps for the flood directive.
De ce que j'ai pu voir aujourd'hui, un élément qui pour moi me semble vraiment intéressant, c'est plutôt celui de l'après-midi, avec un outil d'aide à la décision, avec l'outil de reprise à la fois des modélisations et des éléments récurrents et de l'impact que ça peut avoir à l'échelle très locale, et du coup de choix, la détermination en fait de choix d'action, d'évacuation de population ou de mise en sécurité de bâtiments ou de choses comme ça. Donc ça c'est pour moi un élément important.
Et dedans il y a éventuellement le système de prévision.
Il y a principalement le système de prévision opérationnelle pour moi.
Okay. We already use, for example, the Delft Fuse in the Jakarta sub-project in Indonesia. It's the approach that we're taking for both Fiji and for Bangladesh for the integrating structure. So we're already seeing a benefit, and we see other benefits through some of the other model components like X-Beach, for example. So, as I said, the reason for us getting into the project in the first place was what we expect to see out of it, and from today, even looking at the development of the disaster risk reduction guide, that will be a very useful documentation, because for us, a large part of it is the capacity building within the country, so that they understand exactly what the risks are and what we're trying